Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Frogskins. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn your frame around, like if you're going to put them on, like this. Once you've done that, I like to rotate the frame at a 90-degree angle. Just makes it easier to work with. Now, we're going to be pulling out here and here on the frame as we push the lens forward to unseat it. So I like to use these two back fingers to pull it out. So pull out with these two fingers and push the lens forward with your thumbs. So let's give it a shot. Perfect. Now you should hear a little popping sound. If you do not be alarmed. It's just the lens unseating itself from the groove of the frame. So it's completely normal. And we're going to do the same thing to this side. Locate here and here, and we're going to pull out as we push the lens forward to unseat it. Perfect. So now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and turn the frame around like this. Have it facing towards you. Once you've done that, locate the inside grooves of the frame here and here. Now you're going to want to line up your lens to the inside of these grooves. So today I'm going to be installing my Revo Deep Purple lenses just to give my frames a little bit more life. And I like to start with the top portion here of the lens. So we're going to start with this top portion. We're going to line it up to the frame. And once that's lined up, we're going to be pushing down to insert it in there like that. Pretty quickly, actually. So we're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and locate that groove. And once you've done that, line up your lens. And then we're going to be pushing down to insert it. There we go. Now that the lenses are inserted, I like to take my Seek Optics microfiber cloth and give it a nice little rub down just to get rid of any impurities, any dust or any fingerprints I might have left on there. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.